Chaitanyam endless. Therefore, Chaitanya Prakashanartham kinchid anyatna apekshate. So, na deepasya anya deepa ichha. Swatma Prakashane. Inge Swatma is reflexive pronoun. Swatma na deepattaye nartham. So, inge Swatma shona deepa Prakashane nartham. So, deepam tannai தெரிவிப்பதற்காக இன்னொரு தீபத்தை இன்னொரு தீபத்தை அபேட்சிப்பதில்லை. தமிழ் பேசினா அதான் தகராறு. சோ தீபம் தன்னை பிரகாசிப்பதற்காக. சுவாத்மா சொன்னா தன்னை அர்த்தம். எதனால சொல்றேன்னு சொன்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் தி ஆத்மா. தீப எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றார். சோ தீபஹா ஸ்வஸ்ய பிரகாசனே விஷய சப்தமி. ஸ்வஸ்ய பிரகாசனே பிரகாசன விஷயே अन्य दीप इच्छा न अस्ति. So therefore Atma Jnanam doesn't require Vritti Jnanam. Okay? Atma Jnanam doesn't require Vritti Jnanam. Contradict பண்றீங்களே நீங்க. So in the beginning Atma Bodhaha angarte Vritti Jnanam Vanam Adhukaha Buddhi Vanam Enalamo Sonner. So now you say Vritti Jnanam is not necessary. How will you resolve the contradiction? How will you resolve the contradiction? Vritti Jnanam is not to illumine the Atma. Vritti Jnanam is to remove ignorance. அஜ்ஞான நிவృత్త్యర్థம். பிரம்மன்ங்கிறது வேற இல்லை. இந்த ஸ்வயம் பிரகாசமான ஆத்மாதான் பிரம்மன். So thus ஆத்மனஹ பிரம்மத்வ விஷய அஜ்ஞான நிவృత్త్యర్థம் விருத்தி ஞானம். ஓகே, ஒரு உதாரணம் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. Suppose the sun is there. You are seeing the sun very clearly, but you don't know this is the sun. Now the experience of the sun is not lacking in you because you are seeing the sun. But what is lacking in you? This is the sun, jnanamilla. Therefore, that ignorance alone is the problem. Therefore, what I have to do is, this sun which you are, this particular luminary which you are experiencing all the time is the sun. And afterwards you don't require sun experience because you have been experiencing the sun all the time. What is required is the introduction of the sun as the sun. Appo this is the sun sonnale porum. Thereafterwards, you don't require sun experience as an event because sun experience has been all the time there. Similarly, Atma is always Anubhuta Vishayam. Atma Anubhuti is not required. Sa Nityopalabdha Swarupoham Atma. But in the Atma dan Brahman gradhu theriyala. And therefore, an introduction is done. The Brahman that you are looking for is this self-effulgent Atma, the sun. Vritti Jnanam doesn't illumine the sun. Similarly, here also, Aham Brahmasmi does not illumine Brahman because it is all the time effulgent. Then Aham Brahmasmi does what? It removes the ignorance. Therefore, Vritti Jnanam is necessary or not? It is necessary for ajnana nivritti. It is not necessary for atma prakashane. And therefore, mind is necessary, pramanam is necessary, guru is necessary, sadhana chatushtaya sampatti is necessary. Sarvam ajnana nivrittyartham kinchidapina atma prakashanartham atma prakashanam sarvada sarvatha vartate. So, yatha swatma prakashane. Nishidhya nikilopadhin नेति नेतीति वाक्यतः विद्यादैक्यं महावाक्यैः जीवात्मपरमात्मनोः. So from the 16th shloka onwards up to the last shloka, 29th shloka, Atma, Anatma, Vivekam was the topic. This alone we technically call as Tvampada Vicharaha, analysis of Tvam in the Tattvamasi Mahavakyam. Thula Sukshma Karana Sharirams are Anatma. The Anatmas are Sagunam, I am Nirgunam. Anatmas are Savikaram, I am Nirvikaraha. Anatmas are Savikalpam, I am Nirvikalpaha. We have clearly, Anatma is Jadam, I am Swayam Prakasha Chetana Rupaha. But is it enough? No. Vedanta says it is not enough. This is only the first phase of Vedantic inquiry. Tvampada Vichara alone is over. What is necessary? Tatpada Aikyam has to come. So the second phase is necessary. Why should there be a second phase? I am different from the body, Chaitanyam Porado. It is not enough. Why? Because now that I have done Atma Anatma Vivekam, I know that I am the subject different from the objects. I am the consciousness, everything else is inert matter. I am the illuminator, illumined, everything else is. But still how many things are there? Dvaita. Because Atma, number one, everything else is Anatma, number two. I am Kshetrajnaha, everything else is Kshetram. In fact, Kshetram seems to be too big. And therefore, we should carefully know that this entire Anatma Prapancha is a superimposition, is a Karyam, and I, the Atma, am the Karanam. So the Prathamika Adhyasatik Pohanam. Till now we have sorted out only the secondary Adhyasa. Now we have to know the primary Adhyasa. What is the primary Adhyasa? That through Maya, I, the Atma, alone have created the whole universe. That is, through the Avarana Shakti of Maya, I got confused. And the confusion poyachi. Adu porad. We have to also know that this Anatma Prapancha is born out of the Vikshepa Shakti of my Maya. Therefore, I, the Atma, am Karanam. That is, with the help of the Maya, I alone have created the universe. Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam. So, knowing that I am Karanam is called Brahma Aikyam. Knowing that I am the Chaitanyam, what type of Chaitanyam? Karanam Chaitanyam. Is called Aham Brahma Asmi. Okay. Then you may ask, what is the advantage of that? Previously I said, I am Atma, this is Anatma. இப்ப என்ன சொல்றேன்? I am Karanam, this is Karyam. பெரிய வித்தியாசம் என்ன? பெரிய வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு. When I say I am Atma and this is Anatma, Dvaitam is there. When I say I am Karanam, this is Karyam, Dvaitam goes because Karyam does not exist different from Karanam. Tadananyatvam arambhana shabdadibhyaha. There is a big sutra in Brahma Sutra, very, very brilliantly analyzed by Shankaracharya. It is called Arambhanadhikaranam. Tadananyatvam arambhana shabdadibhyaha. Pacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam mrittikatyeva satyam. So once you know clay is the Karanam and pots are Karyam, what is the conclusion you arrive at? Pots do not exist different from clay. Clay alone is. What you call as pot is nothing but Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. It is nothing but a name and form. Similarly, once I know Chaitanyam is Karanam, matter is Karyam, the conclusion is there is no matter at all. There is no matter at all. Learn consciousness and matter nalla no scientist sollindruka. According to Vedanta, there is no matter different from consciousness. Then what is matter? Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. Matter is nothing but namarupa. Appa how many things are there? Chaitanyam ekameva. And what you call matter doesn't exist different from Chaitanyam. Therefore, Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavihi, Brahmagnau, Brahmanahutam, Sarvam khalu idam Brahma, Nehana nasti kinchana, Atmaiva idagam sarvam, Tat satyam sa Atma. All the Shruti Vakyams indicate Chaitanyam alone is everywhere. Matter is an aberration. Matter is a confusion. Matter is an error. Matter is mithya. And if you know matter is mithya, what does it matter? Matter doesn't matter. The advantage of this knowledge is matter will no more matter to you. You will not be attracted by or you will not be frightened by the material universe. Because Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, Aham Chaitanyam Satyam, matter Jagat is Mithya, and the material universe cannot touch me. Nahi adhyastasya gunena doshena va anumatrena pisana sambadhyate. So adhyasta guna doshas do not affect me even a wee bit. Therefore now comes the second phase of this enquiry. What is that? Chaitanya Rupaha Aham Brahma Asmi Jagat Karanam Asmi Aham Satyam Asmi Karya Rupam Jagat Mithya Asti. That is the essence here. Nikhila Upadhin Nishidhya. So one should negate all the upadhis. You may call it Panchakosha or Chariratrayam. Nishidhya means negating. Negation does not mean destruction. Negation means Atmatva Buddhim Tyaktva. Atma Buddhim Tyaktva. Idu nanillai. Idu nanillai. Idu nanillai solradha negation. Which is purely an intellectual job. Because confusion is where? In the intellect, not in the body or Atma. Therefore, since confusion is an intellectual problem, the negation of anatma also is a clean intellectual job. Nikhila upadhi nishidhya. Eppadi? Neti netiti vakyataha. The Upanishad itself helps by saying na sthulam, na anu, na hrasvam, na dirgham. And not only that, sa yesha atma neti neti. Neti neti ingra vakyame irukku Brihadaranyakathila. And twice it is repeated. There in the Brihadaranyaka commentary is given. Once it is said to remove the samashti prapancha, and the second neti is to remove vyashti prapancha. Both samashti srishti and the vyashti srishti. Because just before this portion in Brihadaranyaka, Murta Amurta Brahmana is the topic. Therefore, Murta Prapancha negation, Amurta Prapancha negation, negation of both the manifest universe as well as the unmanifest universe. Different commentaries are there. Neti netiti vakyataha. Once anatma is negated, what is left out? I, the Atma. That is Tvampada Vachyam is gone. Now we have come to Tvampada Lakshyam. Saguna Chaitanyam is Tvampada Vachyarthaha. Nirguna Chaitanyam is Tvampada Lakshyarthaha. And similarly, what is Brahman, Paramatma? Paramatma also is Nirguna Chaitanyam. I am also Nirguna Chaitanyam. Therefore, both I and Paramatma are one and the same. So, Jivatma Paramatmanoho Aikyam Vidyat. One should know the identity between Jivatma and Paramatma. How? Mahavakyaihi. So by the Mahavakya Upadesha of the teacher. Like Tattvamasi or Aham Brahmasmi or Prajnanam Brahma, so many Mahavakyams are there. Through them, the identity has to be known. And only after identity is known, Advaitam will come. Till then, Atma and Anatma will stand separate. Only after knowing I am the Jagat Karanam Brahma and the whole Anatma Prapancha is Karyam, Tanna Shesati Kevalaha. That Kevalatvam will come. Kaivalyam will come. Kaivalya Navanitam you can enjoy. 10 o'clock. Hari Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.